Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. It's the day 12 of this channel and I have got 142 subscribers. Thank you all of you, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and help me to get 1000 subscribers soon. Thank you. Today, we are going to learn the basic greetings in Japanese. Before we start the lesson, if you have not subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join with us. And you can also watch the Japanese language for beginners video series by using the links in the description box below. Let's start today's lesson. Before we start today's lesson, let's talk about Japan and their culture. Japan is a country with a rich culture. They are well disciplined and bound by traditions and rituals. Greetings are very formal and ritualized in Japan. Japanese are known for being very polite and respectful. 始めましょう。こんにちは。Hello or good afternoon. おはようございます。Good morning. こんばんは。Good evening. おやすみなさい。Good night. さようなら。Goodbye. もしもし。Hello. We use this phrase to say hello in phone. お元気ですか？ How are you? 久しぶりです。Long time no see. はじめまして。Nice to meet you. お願いします。Please. ありがとうございます。Thank you for something someone does or is doing. This is a formal expression and this is the present tense of thank you. ありがとうございました。Thank you for something someone has already done. This is also a formal expression and this is the past tense of thank you. どうもありがとうございます。Thank you very much. This is also a formal expression. 感謝申し上げます。Thank you. This is a humble form. We are going to learn humble form in Japanese in another lesson. For now, let's just remember 感謝申し上げます is humble form of thank you. ありがとう Thanks. This is the casual form of ありがとうございます. We use this between friends. ごめんなさい Sorry. This is a formal expression. ごめん Sorry. This is the shortened form of ごめんなさい。すみません Sorry or excuse me. 申し訳ございません I'm extremely sorry. This is also a formal expression. If we have made a terrible mistake, we use this to show how truly sorry we are. 失礼します Please excuse me. We use this when we enter a room full of people. 行ってきます I'll go and come back. This is an informal expression which is used by someone who is leaving their house to come back after work or after school. 行ってらっしゃい Please go and come back. This is an informal expression which is used by the people in the house when someone is leaving home to come back after work or after school. ただいま I'm back home. This is an expression which is used by someone who is coming to the home after school or after work. For an example, a student can say this when they come home after school or after class. おかえりなさい Welcome back. This is the reply for ただいま。おかえり Welcome back. This is the shortened form of おかえりなさい。 Irashaimase. Welcome. This is used by the shop owner to welcome someone to their shop. Otsukare-sama desu. Thank you for working hard. This is used at the end of the day at work to thank the co-workers for working hard. Otsukare-sama deshita. Thank you for working hard. This is the past tense of Otsukare-sama desu. Yokoso Nihon e. Welcome to Japan. This is a common phrase we can see in the Japanese airports. Yokoso. Welcome. Remember, this can't be used in shops or at home because this is a phrase used with big places. Welcome to our country. Welcome to a district. Well done! We have learned 30 greetings in Japanese. In our next video, we are going to take a quiz from the greetings we learned today. But first, study today's lesson again and memorize the ones that sound similar. You can find the link to the video which we are going to take the quiz in the description box below. If you have not subscribed to Kiko's Language School, please click the subscribe button and join us. That's for today's video. See you in another lesson. 見てくれてありがとうございました。